Hello, my name is Shauna Wyrick, and today we're going to learn how to use the sort function in Excel. What do we use the sort function for? The sort function allows the user to sort an array or a range of cells. You can specify which column to sort by, and you can also sort by ascending or descending order. You can also sort by more than one criteria, but we'll talk more about that later. Why should I use this function? You can use it for organization. I use this function to organize spreadsheets for my classroom all the time, but today I'm using it to organize 4-H and FFA sheep exhibitors. How do you use this function? You can go to the data menu and select sort. It should be the first option on the drop-down menu. It is also available on the ribbon bar. You click data, then you click the sort button. There are also keyboard shortcuts to get to this function as well. If you're a Windows user, press Control-Shift-R. My fellow Mac users will press Command-Shift-R. Now that we have gone through the sort functions what, why, and how, let's give it a try. So we're going to switch screens and go to my Excel. Now, if you look here, I have a spreadsheet full of sheep exhibitors. Not the most organized spot. I'm going to go to Data, Sort, Plus button, and I'm going to sort by club name. Now, if you look, all of them are organized by column F. But if you look, the exhibitors jump around a bit. Henry, Andrew, Grace, Braden, Henry, Braden, Andrew, Grace, Henry, Braden. I want to fix this so all of the Andrews are together, all of the Graces are together, all of the Henrys are together. Down here we'll have all the Parkers together, Isabels. So the first thing that we're going to do, we're going to go to the data bar on the ribbon, click sort. Now we're going to push plus, and I'm going to tell my sort to click, excuse me, we did club name. Now we're going to do last name, which is hidden for privacy reasons. Then we're going to sort by first name. So when it's done, all of the Andrews, all of the Bradens, and Henrys should be grouped together. And there we have it. Andrews, Bradens, Henrys, Grace. Then we jump to the next club. Sam, Cole, Parker, McCoy. And they're all grouped together. You can add as many criteria as you would like. You can also remove criteria by selecting the line in the sort menu that you want to remove. So let's remove the last name field. So I selected it. Now I'm going to click the minus sign. And they're already sorted that way, but it's no longer telling it has to sort that way. And that's how you use the sort function in Excel. Thanks, and have a great day.